In a world where dreams are nurtured by hard work, passion, and dedication, the essence of these dreams finds its place within the walls of a house. For decades, Dalmia Bharat has been the backbone of excellence in building materials, relied upon by the giants of the industry to deliver quality and reliability at every turn. They have been an inseparable part of every dream home journey.
Building a home has always been a journey riddled with challenges. From navigating through various markets, making complex material choices to coordinate with multiple suppliers, lack of transparency and uncertain timelines, the process can often feel like an uphill battle. This is where Hippo Homes makes a difference. We are India's first one-stop shop model for all home building and improvement needs, driving a significant shift in the way Indian consumers shop for their dream homes. With unmatched convenience and a wide range of choices, we make creating your dream home simple. From concept to completion, our team of experts and qualified interior designers are committed to helping you create a space that reflects your individuality and taste. We guide you every step of the way. The process is a consultative experience, enabling customers to actively participate in choosing and selecting their dream home. They can evaluate and handpick the products according to their preferences. Boasting a 20,000 square feet emporium, a meticulously curated array of 8+ categories, including modular kitchens, bath and sanitary ware, tiles and electricals, woods and laminates, and an impressive inventory of 250+ product line from over 300 esteemed brands, all under one roof. Instead of visiting multiple shops, discover the joy of finding everything you need in one place, saving time and energy. Just like kids select their toys, women pay attention to aesthetics, men look for durability, and elders seek value for money and convenience. Hippo Homes caters to all these needs effortlessly. Having served over 1 lakh and growing delighted customers, delivered 700+ impeccably crafted kitchens, and catering to 300+ pin codes nationwide. Our expanding footprint reflects the rising acceptance of this bold approach, signaling an impending revolution in the home improvement space. Collaborating with industry giants such as DLF, M3M, Emaar, Tata Projects and many more further reaffirms our reputation as the leading experts in home improvement and interior solutions. These partnerships signify Hippo Homes' reputation as a trusted partner in delivering exceptional projects and services, further solidifying its position as a leader in the home improvement space.
मुझे अपने बेटे से हिप्पो होम्स के बारे में पता चला, क्योंकि वो जब अपना घर रेनोवेट कर रहा था तो ज़्यादातर सामान वो यहीं से लेके गया था. यंगर जनरेशन से कुछ तो सीखने को मिलता ही है. एंड आफ्टर ऑल इट्स अ वन स्टॉप शॉप फॉर एवरीथिंग दैट यू नीड टू रेनोवेट योर हाउस, टू पेंट द हाउस, टू डू द किचन. और इसने घर की शॉपिंग बहुत ज़्यादा कन्वीनियंट कर दी है. आई एम रियली हैप्पी एंड आई एडमायर द स्टाफ हियर हु आर वेरी हेल्पफुल एंड इन्फॉर्मेटिव. इस उम्र में भी मैं अपने घर को रेनोवेट करने में 100% इन्वॉल्व हूँ और ऑल थैंक्स टू हिप्पो होम्स.
बड़ा चंगा लगा ਇੱਥੇ ਆ ਕੇ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਫੈਮਿਲੀ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਅਗਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਘਰ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸੁਜੈਸ਼ਨ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਇੱਕੋ ਮਾਲ ਇੱਕ ਐਦਾਂ ਦਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਆ ਕੇ ਸਾਰੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਆਪਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਦੇਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ. ਆਪਣੇ ਘਰ ਨੂੰ ਸਜਾਉਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਆਪਣਾ ਘਰ ਅਗਰ ਬਿਲਡ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਨਵਾਂ तो ਉਹਦੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ एक अच्छी चीज़, अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है जिथे आके अपना बंदा देख सकता है सारा सामान.
वैसे हिप्पो आया तो मैं यहाँ पर आके दंग रह गया, क्योंकि यहाँ पर दुनिया भर के प्रोडक्ट्स अवेलेबल थे. घर सजाने के लिए, घर बनाने के लिए इट्स अ वन स्टॉप सॉल्यूशन. आपको यहाँ पर बाथरूम के सारे ब्रांड्स मिल जाते हैं, शावर्स, दुनिया भर के प्रोडक्ट्स यहाँ पर मिलते हैं. मैंने इंडिया में कभी ऐसा सोचा भी नहीं था कि यहाँ पर ऐसा भी कुछ मिल सकता है, ऐसा भी कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट आ सकता है. एंड आई एम वेरी रियली हैप्पी बाय कमिंग हियर.
As a working couple, we didn't have enough time to visit 10 different stores. So Hippo Homes was the perfect solution for us.
The entire kitchen team was extremely helpful and supportive. They showed us very classy design, and the designs were certainly stand out for us.
Moreover, the job quality and delivery timeline exceeded our expectations.
Expertise of the designer team was certainly a highlight for us.
Woman who is living alone in the city of Zirakpur. My husband is in Mumbai and I am facing lot of problems when there is any problem or at household. Because when an electrician or a maintenance person visit my house, he say, I require this, I require that, and I have to run to the market to find one or the other thing every day after coming from the office. Accidentally, I found the store and I visited, and I am satisfied that I could found each and every product here and my requirement is finally fulfilled.
Our journey doesn't end with transactions. It extends to building lasting relationships and bringing dreams to reality. Every home we help create is not just a structure, but a legacy. Hippo Homes. अब घर बनाना सिंपल है.